In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CC feature in Gmail effectively. Whether you're new to email communication or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to utilize the carbon copy or CC field is crucial in today's digital communication landscape. The CC feature allows you to keep relevant parties in the loop of your email conversations without them being the primary recipient. So, let's dive straight into how you can do this in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is where all your incoming and previously sent emails are stored. If you're already logged in, you should see your emails right away. If not, go ahead and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button. It's typically located in the upper left corner of the screen, and it's your gateway to creating new email messages. When you click on it, a new blank email window will pop up. This blank canvas is where your message will start to take shape. Now it's time to think about who you want to send this email to. In the To field, type the email address of the main recipient, the person or people you are directly communicating with. However, the magic of keeping others informed comes in with the next step, so don't hit send just yet. After adding your primary recipient, you'll notice a little option labeled CC right next to the To field. Click on that CC button. CC stands for carbon copy, and it allows you to send a copy of the email to other people who might need to be informed about the email's content but are not the main recipients. It's a fantastic way to maintain transparency and ensure that everyone who needs to be in the know is. Once you click on CC, you can start typing in the email addresses of other recipients you'd like to keep in the loop. These could be your colleagues, your manager, or anyone else who stands to benefit from being privy to the information being shared but doesn't need to act on it directly. After you've added all the relevant parties in the To and CC fields, you can proceed to draft your email. Once your message is ready and you've reviewed it for clarity and accuracy, it's time to hit that Send button. Congratulations, you've just sent your first email with CC recipients. A couple of tips to enhance your email communication. Always ensure that the people you include in the CC field are those who genuinely need to know the information you're sending. It's also good practice to introduce why you're CCing someone at the beginning of your email, especially if they're being looped into the conversation for the first time. This not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also respects the time and inboxes of all your recipients. And that's it. You've learned how to use the CC function in Gmail to keep relevant parties informed. Remember, the CC feature is a powerful tool in ensuring effective communication within your workplace or any collaborative setting. Use it wisely, and it will undoubtedly enhance your communication skills, making your emails more professional and inclusive. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're communicating with colleagues, organizing an event, or just keeping friends in the loop, the CC feature in Gmail is an invaluable tool in your digital communication toolkit. Practice using this feature and you'll find your emails reaching a new level of efficiency and engagement. Keep exploring and happy emailing.